is my current favorite style of enjoying okra soup. If you love okra soup, you're about to love it even more. And if you don't like okra soup, you're going to like this one. So you should stick around and let's do it. So as the title of this video depicts, we are making oilless okra soup, and this ingredient you just saw on the screen, it is called it is red chili pepper. I think it's called either tatashe or shombo. I always mix it up, but I decided that I washed it and I blended it. So basically what I'm doing here is prepping my ingredients. So I chopped up the Uziza leaves, washed it, the ugu leaves, and then I chopped okra. So for the okra, I really like my okra crunchy, and in big chunks. So I cut that in chunks, and then using this grater, I grated some part of the okra just for thickening. So for this, we're using this beautiful looking chicken I got from a vendor on Instagram. This chicken is so huge, guys. I have a video on how to cut up a chicken. This chicken, one full chicken went for 12,000 naira, but the chicken is so worth it. It tastes so good. Anyway, so what I did was to spice up the chicken, cook that without water, and when it had steamed for some time, I put in the blended chili peppers, I put in the uziza leaves, I put in the grated okra. Now this grated okra helps it be thick, and it also helps it dry a little. So that's why I don't like to use a lot of grated okra. But if you like your okra really drawy, you can grate a lot and just chop up a little. So after that cooked up for about 2 minutes, I put in the chunky okra, and I'm not going to lie to you guys, immediately I put in this chunky okra, I just turned off the heat because that's how I like my okra. I love it very crunchy. This is very simple. It's like just put everything in the pot and let it cook and you're good to go. Every detail you need will be in the description. Thank you for watching.